In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on Temu. We'll walk through the process step by step so that you can easily manage your purchases with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you have the Temu app installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. Having this ready will streamline the process and make it as hassle-free as possible. To get started, open the Temu app on your device. Once the app is loaded, navigate to the main screen. You'll find several icons and options that allow you to curate your shopping experience. Look for the option labeled You. This is typically found at the bottom navigation panel, as it's where you can access your personal account settings and details. Once you've tapped on You, you'll see a menu leading to various sections of your account. Here, you want to look for and tap on Your Orders. This section will display a comprehensive list of all the purchases you've made, both current and historical. It's organized to help you easily find any specific transaction you might be interested in, including the one you wish to cancel. Now that you're in Your Orders, browse through your list to find the specific order you're looking to cancel. Once located, tap on that order to open its details. This page will give you a breakdown of everything pertaining to that particular purchase, including items, shipping details, and more. With the order details open, you'll need to locate the option that says Cancel Items. This is your gateway to initiating the cancellation process for the products you've decided against purchasing. Don't worry, selecting this option doesn't immediately cancel your order. It merely sets the stage for the final decision. After tapping on Cancel Items, you'll be prompted with a final option labeled Cancel Order. By selecting Cancel Order, you confirm your decision to cancel the entire transaction. Make sure you are certain about canceling, as proceeding with this step will terminate the order and you'll lose your spot in any personalized offerings or discounts. It's always a good practice to double-check any cancellation for unintended selections. Once you're confident with your decision, simply tap and complete the process. Canceling an order will usually trigger a confirmation, either via a pop-up within the app or through a follow-up email to the address associated with your account. This ensures you have a written record of the cancellation for your records, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel an order on Temu. This process allows you to have greater control over your transactions, ensuring you can adapt to any change in plans or preferences with ease. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore our channel or reach out. Have a great day and enjoy your online shopping.